So I don't know whether I have spoken on this topic before or not, but most of the firing that is happening these days is because companies had overhired post COVID, and people had went full retard, right? Full euphoric, saying that everything will happen in metaverse, and we have to invest tens of billions of dollars into building the metaverse. Patients will be meeting doctors in the metaverse by wearing a goggle, and doctor will be performing surgical precision activities using metaverse gloves and all kinds of euphoric nonsense, right? So at that point in time, every CEO, every board of directors approved the investment of billions of dollars into such stupid technologies, assuming that COVID is never going to come to an end. And then they overhired, right? The online usage of everything increased. They overhired, and then the China virus came to an end, right? And life started becoming normal. So all that investment, all those people hired, went to vain. Now nobody wants to accept the fact that they miscalculated. Otherwise, they will lose the investor trust, right? Investor will ask that, what is the guarantee that you are not miscalculating again? So they don't want to accept their mistake, but they want to fire people because they had overhired. So they just say that they are investing into AI, and AI is going to reduce the dependency on manual work, and hence we want to get rid of our 20%, 18% workforce, which by the way is almost exact number by which they had overhired during COVID, right? And definitely not a coincidence. So they want to look smart, and they say they are investing in AI and they look smart. They don't want to look like they can miscalculate. So they hide their miscalculation by saying that they had overhired before, by saying that they had not overhired before, but they are automating lots of jobs to AI, and that's the reason why they want to get rid of the working population. And they don't want to look stupid, right? They want to look like they are very future leading. So they just hide the fact that they had overhired during COVID and subsequent years, and they want to look smart, and that's the only reason why so much of firing is happening. AI is generating a lot of jobs. So learn AI either as a user or learn to build something on AI. It is like service industry as well as product industry is going to require a lot more jobs, and a lot of industries are decentralizing. So good luck.